Welcome back to SCQ. You're watching the 8th match in round 3. Scores are Jamaica College on 25 points, Westwood High on 28. So Jamaica College picked up a point during the break when the judges decided to accept their answer to the question, what is the name for enlarged structures in some plant species used as storage organs or for nutrients, The answer given, CORM, C-O-R-M, is indeed accepted. So with that, we move into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. With that, we begin with Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is the prayer of Jabez? JC.
First Chronicles.
Correct. Biology. Derived from the Latin word meaning stick, and with over 266 named species, what is the name for rod-shaped bacteria? Jamaica College.
Bacillus.
Bacteria. Correct. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of JC.
Inseparable.
Is correct. Local affairs, a visual one. Look at the following clip and identify this person, please. Westwood.
Dwight Sibbles.
A member of Parliament, correct. Chemistry, what is the formula for barium Jamaica College?
Bromide. You have this. BaBr2.
Correct. Music, teams, listen to the following clip. Identify this group.
Next.
Westwood.
Mary.
Is correct. General knowledge. Which building is the London residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom? Jamaica College.
Burkina Faso.
That's correct. Spanish. Translate the sentence to English. Los plátanos son buenos para la salud. Westwood.
Bananas are good for health.
Very good. JC, keep it down, please. Geography. The Pico de Orizaba, Jamaica College.
Mexico.
Is an inactive stratovolcano and the highest mountain in. Correct. Theater and cinema teams, look at the following clip. Identify this group. This person, Westwood.
Cuba Gooding Jr.
That's correct. Information technology, Jack Dorsey is the chief executive. Westwood.
Twitter.
Of social media company. Correct. History, the British took and destroyed Nanny Town in Jamaica in which year? 1734. Mathematics. What is the sine of 60 degree? Jamaica College.
Sine 60?
Yeah.
This is root 3 over 2 or 0.87.
Okay, root 3 over 2. We did want it in third form. Physics. If a bus starts from rest and its velocity becomes 30 meters per second in 8 seconds, what is its uniform? Westwood.
Come again, my son.
What press?
Come again.
Jamaica College, be quiet, please.
3.2 meters per second squared.
3.75 meters per second squared. Incorrect. Sport or visual one teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Westwood.
John Brown.
Tristan Thompson from the NBA Jamaican Heritage. Complete this Jamaican proverb. Selfish. Jamaica College. Wait for bread and butter. Correct. Sit down, pan de counter. French. Il neige. What type of weather? Westwood.
Snowy.
Correct. Literature. From what Shakespearean play is the quote, good night, Jamaica College.
Good night. Richard III.
Incorrect. Parting is such sweet sorrow. Romeo and Juliet. Art. Which artist created the controversial redemption song statue? Jamaica College.
Laura Facey Cooper.
That's right. Bible knowledge. That's in Emancipation Park. Bible knowledge. Jesus' cleansing of 10 lepers is one of the miracles. Jamaica College.
Matthew. 10 leopards. Matthew.
This is
Matthew.
Luke. Incorrect. Biology. There are 3 available genotypes. 2 of them are homozygous dominant and heterozygous. What is Westwood?
Recessive.
Homozygous recessive. Judges. English language. Which 5-letter verb starting with F means to openly disregard a rule? Westwood.
Flaunt.
Flout. International affairs. And That is the bell. Jamaica College, you are very loud, please. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores, Jamaica College on 39, Westwood High on 32. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.